Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel, The Online Cook. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. Today we're making Nigerian fried egg. In this recipe, I am frying eggs with vegetables, which makes it a perfect way to include vegetables in our diet, and also an amazing way to encourage children to eat vegetables. This is a trusted way to make fried egg. Look at how well the egg turned out, and trust me, it is so delicious, you will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process and stick with me. Let's make this egg dish together. I'll start by chopping my onions, tomatoes, and cayenne pepper. The reason why I'm cutting these ingredients first will be seen very soon in the video. Also, I have decided to use cayenne pepper because it is a less spicy option and many people do not like spicy food. So after cutting the onions, tomatoes and peppers, I'll proceed to pour everything into a bowl. Then I'll set it aside and proceed to cut the other ingredients as well. These ingredients are all you can see right there in the video: the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. These will serve as the vegetables that I'll be using in this recipe. Another reason why I'm using these colorful ingredients is to make the food, the fried egg, appealing to the eyes and, enticing to anyone who sees it, especially for children, because children eat with their eyes first before they taste the food. After chopping the bell peppers, I'll pour everything into another bowl and then I'll set it aside to get the cooking surface ready for the main ingredients. I am making Nigerian fried egg, so I'm quite sure that by now you can already guess which ingredient is the main ingredient, and that is my egg. But first, here are the chopped ingredients: the tomatoes, onions, and pepper. And over here, I have my very colorful bowl of bell peppers. Now it's time for the eggs. I'll crack 4 eggs into a bowl. After this, I'll proceed to whisk very well with my fork. Eggs are an integral part of our diet. We have to always eat eggs. As adults, children have to eat eggs. The elderly have to eat eggs because eggs are very, very nutritious. Now I'll proceed to whisk everything together to ensure that the egg white and the egg yolk combines properly. And I just saw one small eggshell, so I decided to pause the whisking to remove the eggshell, and I'll suggest you do this as well. Anytime you see eggshell in your bowl of raw eggs, please remove the eggshell before you continue whisking. It's time to cook. I'll pour 1/3 of a cup of cooking oil into my pot and allow it to become hot. As soon as it is hot enough, I'll add my chopped tomatoes, onions, and pepper into the pot. I'll give it a good stir, then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. While it is cooking, here are the other ingredients that I'll be using: half teaspoon of salt, 1 stock cube, and this much of fresh thyme. It's 5 minutes already, so I'll check my cooking, and this is what it looks like. It is ready for the next stage. I'll give it a good stir just to combine and to ensure that nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pot. The next stage is to season properly. I'll add my fresh thyme, salt, and stock cube to the mix. Next, I'll give it a very good mix again to ensure that the ingredients that I just added combines very, very well with everything in the pot, and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes on medium heat. Like I said, when you follow this step, if you trust this process and follow this step, the outcome will always be amazing and delicious. So after 5 minutes, here I have my sauce ready for the eggs. So I'll pour in my mixed egg into the pot and I'll mix very well. But before I mix, I will turn the heat down to the lowest. This is because the pot is already hot, the sauce is hot, the oil is hot, everything in the pot is hot. So I turn the heat down so that I can easily mix the ingredients properly with the raw eggs so that everything combines well. I'll continue to mix until everything combines well and until the eggs are or until the egg is about 30% done. This is what it looks like. So I'll cover the pot. The heat is still turned to low and I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes on low heat. This is what my egg looks like after 5 minutes. One way to know that the fried eggs are well cooked is when the oil is visible, because you would notice that at first, after mixing in the eggs, the oil was no longer visible. Now I'll add my chopped bell peppers and you can see how colorful my pot is looking. The eggs are also looking very colorful. Remember, many people eat with their eyes first before they put the food in the mouth, and this is an enticing way to invite anybody to eat or try fried eggs. I'll give it a good stir to ensure it combines well. I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Now here I have my fried eggs ready to be enjoyed. In fact, I have to say something. While making this video, I was already thinking, okay, what would I be enjoying this fried egg with? And I actually settled for boiled white rice. That's one thing about fried eggs. It can be enjoyed with anything or with most meals. White rice, boiled yam, boiled potato, spaghetti. You can enjoy fried egg with bread. The list is very, very long. And one thing I would also like to say is you have watched this video to this point, which is amazing and lovely. And I count that as a privilege. Having you here is so lovely. One other thing is, if you're new to this channel, welcome to this amazing foodie channel where I share delicious, simple to make meals every single week. And I really do hope that you try this egg dish because it is lovely and it is nice. And thank you so much for visiting my channel. I hope you visit soon. Till I post my next video, have a lovely day. Bye.